Hi, hello everyone. Today I am here to discuss a very interesting topic that what's inside a leaf. So let us see the aerial part of a leaf and what it contains. First one, cuticle. It is a waxy layer covering the upper epidermis of the leaf which is made up of a substance chitin. The upper epidermis is a single layer of cell covering the top surface of the leaf. Coming to the mesophyll, it is a tissue present between the upper and the lower epidermis. The palisade cells, they are tightly packed cells which contain high number of chloroplasts. The spongy mesophyll, it is a irregular shaped cells in the lower region of the mesophyll containing air space between them. Chloroplasts, they are specialized organelles within plant cells containing chlorophylls, the green pigment. Guard cells, they are the pair of specialized cells surrounding each stomata and responsible for opening and closing. Lower epidermis is the single layer of cell covering the underside of the leaf. Stomata, the microscopic pore of the leaf surface, allows for the gas exchange.